Tapos kayo lang sa niyo mga bayhon mo, kaya nag-smile gat ka. Reaching out to others, not thinking of oneself, but helping those who are really in need, whatever form of need.
Tonight we celebrate 50 years of friendship, memories and incredible journeys we have shared since graduation.
Tonight, as we celebrate our golden anniversary reunion under the theme Half a Century of Achievement and Unity, it's hard to believe that 50 years have passed since we walked the halls of Masbate High School. But here we are, reunited to commemorate this incredible milestone. For 50 years of friendship, achievement, and unity. Cheers! Let's all enjoy the evening and the rest of our reunion. I love you all.